There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, A, and we back to slay another Amazon wig today. What's up, everybody? I hope y'all all are having like a really great day. When you watching this video, I know I bring the happiness. Girl, you got to tell me I'm here for it. I love y'all just as much as y'all love me, okay? For real. I hope you all are having like a great day, being blessed, motivated, positive, staying out of the way. Girl, minding your business. Sometimes people don't mind their business enough. You ever notice that? You just be out and about minding your business, and then somebody else is getting in somebody else's business. I'll be there to watch. I don't take my phone out because I really just don't feel the need to, but I'll be there to watch, you know? I don't really get to see so many mind your business moments. I've had a couple of my own, but girl, yes, minding your business is the safe thing to do, okay? It is the safe thing to do. But what's up, y'all? Hope y'all are all good. I'm happy today. Well, I'm happy every day, but I'm really fond of myself today, only because I didn't have to fight with my makeup. Everything came together. So with that being said, let me stop running my mouth. I got this really fire unit right here by the brand Unice. You know what I say about them? They got the best of the best of the best for less. Okay, you can check them out on Amazon, AliExpress, their own website. Girl, they are definitely budget friendly. Okay, even though they're budget friendly, some people may think,
Well, if they're budget friendly, the hair is not going to be that great.
their hair is actually really, really nice. The best of the best of the best for less. So this time around, I do have a cute colored wavy bob. Okay, so inside the box, you will receive a Unice Swiss or HD wig cap, and you're also going to receive a melting band. This is a pretty bob. I thought it was nice because it's a different color. It's a 7x5. She also comes with a sheet. She's to pre everything, so you know you ain't got to do anything. Put her on and go. I mean, you don't really have to do anything. I wouldn't be lying if I said that, because it just depends on the person who's putting the wig on. It depends on you, babes. So with that being said, if you like to do a little tweaking of your own, girl, I get you. I'm the same way. Look at the color. Isn't this a pretty color? It is pre everything, girl. I told y'all pre everything. Is it 7x5? Already been bleached. The lace already been cut. Comes with a whole bunch of good stuff, which is first of all these right here. That'll keep the wig in place, honey. We do not want to be out and about knowing we look cute, thinking we looking cute, giving everybody else the side eye, and not even knowing that our wig is slipping back. So that's what these gonna do. These gonna stop that from happening. Also does come with some silicone on the sides, an adjustable strap in the nape. Does come with a comb in the nape, and the best of the best, girl, the drawstring. So that way your wig can sit extra tight. And let's see how she come out, and I'll be back with y'all in a minute. I love a good wig. I love a good easy wig. I love a good big wig. If you're going to do a wig, do it big. Girl, listen, I really do like this hair color, this length. This is, you know what? I didn't think I was going to like it this much, but I actually really do like it this much, okay? Unice outdid they sub. Gorgeous. It's so nice and full. I didn't even need to wet the entire wig, just the front part where I had, you know, fixed the parting. If I'm going to do more of like a golden blonde, I definitely want it to be mixed with other colors. Do like this wig a lot because it's mixed with different colors of blondes and browns, and that's what really brings it out. I like this. This looks so cute. I love the fact that Unice is so affordable. You can get it from Amazon, and you know, Amazon's return policy is really basically easy. So if you've ever had something from Amazon, and even if it says it's non-returnable, 9 times out of 10, they're going to definitely help you. I love Amazon because you get your things quickly, okay? And the process of returning it is super easy. They have great units, they're super affordable, and who don't love beauty on a budget? I don't think we should pay a lot of money for beauty. Like, we're already pretty, so what else is there? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I do like this unit. It was super easy, and I love that about it. I love anything that's easy, girl. These new wigs, I love the fact that you don't have to do like you used to have to do. Just come ready to wear and go. So I love that. This is an easy wig, and I would highly suggest it. If you don't like the color, get the natural color. But girl, listen, this is definitely tea, okay? Let me know what you think of this unit. I will leave everything down below in the description. If you stay to the end, please give me a pink heart, and also please hype the video up and give it a like or dislike, whatever, it doesn't matter. But I love you all. Stay diva and divalicious. Stay blessed, safe, out the way, minding your business. Please stay positive. I will see y'all in the next one.